Good morning children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to discuss about our place value systems. There are two types of place value systems are there. One is Indian place value system and another one is international place value system. Now we are going to discuss about Indian place value system. What Indian place value system? What are the places in Indian place value system? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Ones, 1, tens, 10, hundreds, 100. These three are coming under ones period. These three are coming under ones period. Next, thousands, 1,000, 10,000s, 10,000. These two are coming under thousands period. These two are coming under thousands period. Next, lakhs, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs. These two are coming under lakhs period. Crores, 1 crore, 10 crores. These two are coming under crores period. In Indian place value system, there are 4 periods are there. Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. In ones period, ones, tens, hundreds are there. Thousands period, thousands, 10,000s. Lakhs period, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Crores period, crores, 10 crores. Okay, now once again I am repeating again. What are the place values in Indian place value system? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. In Indian place value system, while we are writing the numbers, how we are putting the commas? From first how we have to put the commas? Ones, tens, hundreds place before we have to put the comma. Again thousands, 10,000s place before we have to put the comma. Again lakhs, 10 lakhs place before we have to put the comma. Again crores and 10 crores. Now shall we see some examples here based on Indian place value system. For example, how we have to write this number in Indian place value system? Before we are going to write the Indian place value system, we have to put the commas. How we have to put the commas? According to their periods. Here first, ones, tens, hundreds. We have to put comma here. It is ones period. Next, 1,000, 10,000. It is thousands period. Next, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Before comma, it is lakhs period. It is crores period. Now we are writing time. 2 is in what period? What period? Crores period. Now 2 crore. 2 crore. Again 4, 5 is here. These two are in lakhs period. While we are writing them, we don't write 4, 5. We have to write it as a whole number. How we read this number? 45. So 45 lakh. Next, 68. Here it is 68. Is in which period? Thousands period. So 68,000. 68,973. 68,973. 68,000. Now see 2 crore 45 lakh 68,973. Shall we do one more example? First, before we are going to write this number in words, we have to put the commas. How we have to put the commas? According to their periods. Here ones, tens, hundreds. These three is in ones period. We have to put the comma before hundreds place. Next, thousands, 10,000s. Before comma. Next, now these two are in which period? Thousands period. These three are in ones period. Next, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Lakhs period. Again crores, 10 crores. These two are in crores period. Now we are going to write the number in words. Now here it is 45. 45 is in which period? Crores period. So 45 crores 69 lakhs 87 thousands 329. Now we are going to learn about international place value system. Before we are going to learn about international place value system, what are the places in international place value system? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 million. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, one. Tens, 10. Hundreds, 100. These three are coming under ones period. These three are coming under ones period. What are there in ones period? Ones, tens, hundreds are there in ones period. Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. These three are coming under thousands period. Million, 10 million, 100 million. Million, 10 million, 100 million. For million, 10 million, 100 million. These three are under millions period. Next, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. For billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. These three are under billions period. What are the periods in Indian national system? Ones, thousands, millions and billions. What are the places in international place value system? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Now, how we are going to write the given number in international place value system? For example, how we have to write this number in international place value system? First, we are going to write in international place value system. We have to put the commas. How we have to put the commas? Here, based on the periods, we have to put the commas. Here, ones, tens, hundreds. Hundreds place before we have to put the comma. These three are coming under ones period. Next, thousand, 10,000s, 100,000s before comma. These three are coming under thousands period. Next, million, 10 million, 100 million. These three are coming under millions period. While we are writing the number, we have to read this number. How we read this number? 245. How we read this number? 245. So, while we are writing in words, it is 245 is in which period? Millions period. So, 245 millions. We have tried. How we have tried? 245 millions. 245 million. 245 million. Next number 678 is here. How we read this one? 678. 678 is in which period? Thousands period. So 678 thousands. 678 thousands. Next one is 930. How we read this one? 930. See, 245 millions, 678 thousands, 930. While we are putting commas in Indian place value system, first we have to put ones period before and next two digits before we are putting commas. But in international place value system, three digits before we have to put the commas. Now we are going to discuss about what is the relationship between Indian and international. Now we are going to discuss about what is the relationship between Indian and international place value system. Before we discuss about what are the place values in Indian system, what are the place values in Indian system? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Next, what are the place values in international system? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billions, 10 billions, 100 millions. Now, we are discussing here about what is the relationship between the two systems. If you observe here, both the places in both systems, both here ones, here ones, both places in both place systems, ones places are same and tens places are same, hundreds places are same, thousands places are same, 10,000 places are same. Next, coming here, 1 lakh per lakhs here is equal to 100,000s. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000s. One lakh is equal to 100,000. Next, 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. That means in the place of 1 lakh, we can write 100,000. 100,000s are equal to 1 lakh. Same 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. Next, 1 crore is equal to 10 million. 1 crore is equal to 10 million. 1 crore is equal to 10 million. 10 crore is equal to 100 million. 10 crore is equal to 100 million. Next, 100 crores is equal to 1 billion. 100 crore is equal to 1 billion. 100 crore is equal to 1 billion. This is the relationship between Indian system and international place value system. Okay, once again I am repeating again. Up to 10,000 places in both systems, up to 10,000 places are same. After that 1 lakh is equal to 100,000 or 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million or 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. 1 crore is equal to 10 million or 10 million is equal to 1 crore. 10 crore is equal to 100 million or 100 million is equal to 10 crore. 100 crore is equal to 1 billion or 1 billion is equal to 100 crore. This is the relationship between Indian place value system and international place value system.